Dogecoin is a decentralized and totally secure organization. It is intended to be a cordial, more receptive type of digital money that could arrive at clients put off by the chilly intricacy of Bitcoin. Indeed, even its name is taken from a well-known web image, History of Dogecoin, which isolates Dogecoin from most other altcoins in the digital currency market as expansion as opposed to deflationary cryptographic money. Bitcoin and numerous other cryptographic forms of money are planned to the point that they have a hard stockpile cap of monetary standards. Dogecoin's cost has enormous potential, with the sort of distinction rising. Dogecoin's presence is tremendous contrasted with different contenders. Utilizing Dogecoin needs no exceptional preparation. Amicable to utilize, it carries genuine worth to its clients. Sacking your Dogecoin is currently simple. In this way, utilization of Dogecoin implies power in the possession of the client. The standard of any driving coin is the prevalence and fan wave that twirls around them. Similar holds at the cost of Doge, as the reception rate for Dogecoin is very high. This advanced cash is dynamic and resolute worth wins around a quality of the whole Dogecoin people group that places their confidence in it. The Doge wallet is a carefully facilitated capacity that will provide your resources with the most significant level of safety that anyone could hope to find. The clients who own Dogecoin in their wallet can involve it for Dogecoin loaning. They need to give subtleties, wallet address, and open a record there. Dogecoin specialized examination. In spite of the historical backdrop of tempests and twisters in the digital money market, there is a fair future. Dogecoin's absolute market cap is exchanging around $10,795,171,570 and is currently the 8th greatest computerized money on the planet. As of now, the cost of Dogecoin is around 8 cents, with an exchanging volume of $354,383,286. The ongoing stock is at $132,670,764,300 Doge, while the absolute circling supply is $132,670,764,300. The general cryptographic money market capitalization has denoted a huge change this year, including the Dogecoin market cap. After the Doge's cost arrived at its ATH, it denoted an enormous fall over the long haul. Notwithstanding, the ongoing Dogecoin cost developments have checked exceptional changes as of late. The Doge cost developed over 100% in 7 days. The Doge's cost down and out the prompt obstruction with practically no obstacles. It attempted to outperform the urgent obstruction of 16 cents yet fizzled. Afterward, because of some benefit booking exercises, the Dogecoin value began to exchange underneath the opposition. Specialized pointers propose that the image coin needs a purchaser's help to start the positive excursion once more. Could VON 14.6 redesign affect Doge's cost? As per our examination and Doge forecasts, the cost of Doge might not have an exceptionally impressive impact because of the VON 14.6 overhaul. The overhaul certainly has gotten a great deal of enhancements its organization and biological system. However, the cost remained in a similar reach as it was before. As of late, the cost saw a colossal ascent. Yet that was more a result of Elon Musk's help for Twitter and his Twitter takeover. The majority of the overhauls in the organization or biological system can impact the cost for the present moment and not the long haul. The most that influence the Doge's cost are the market opinions and the most recent news. Will Doge support the ascent? Everything started when Elon Musk fixed a $44 billion arrangement to assume control over Twitter. When this news was out, the Dogecoin cost flooded nearly by 100%. It is on the grounds that Elon Musk has consistently upheld Dogecoin and considered it a group's coin on different events. Elon Musk's constant help of tolerating Dogecoin as an installment for products and institutional reception has been gainful to the coin. Numerous standard financial backers accept that Elon Musk will coordinate Doge into the working of Twitter, and without a doubt, financial backer opinion seeing the equivalent became more grounded as Musk declared that clients would need to purchase a $8 month-to-month membership for an authority blue tick. Taking into account the ongoing business sector capitalization, it very well may be a wise venture. Dogecoin could be one of a handful of the cryptographic forms of money fit for being utilized as a useful cash as opposed to just as a speculative resource. As per the Dogecoin value forecasts of the wallet financial backer, Dogecoin may not be a wise venture, and they anticipate the Dogecoin cost to be around 7 cents in 2023. While the specialized examination and Dogecoin value forecast of computerized coin costs propose that the coin will go up to 21 cents in 2023. Taking a gander at the ongoing buyer market of Dogecoin, the resource might contact another untouched high in the impending years. Indeed, even specialists of Changelly likewise anticipate that the exchanging cost of Dogecoin will reach $2.14 by 2030. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2022. In light of the Doge cost expectation, the base, greatest, and normal costs are supposed to be 6 cents, 12 cents, and 10 cents, separately, considering any remaining variables being steady. In 2022, the general value change may be remarkable, according to our Dogecoin cost forecasts. Dogecoin Forecast 2023. According to the market opinion and future cost activity, the greatest expected Doge cost may be around 25 cents, while the typical cost may be 19 cents, and the base cost may be 12 cents in view of our cost expectation. Dogecoin cost could have tracked down extraordinary help in a brief period after the ascent of 2022. Dogecoin Expectations 2024. According to the Doge Value Expectation and Specialized Examination, the typical cost may be 23 cents in 2024, while Dogecoin's cost might arrive at a limit of 28 cents and at least 18 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2025. According to our Dogecoin cost expectation for 2025, the coin could have a most extreme and least market cost of around 39 cents and 25 cents, while the typical cost may be around 32 cents toward the finish of 2025. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2026. As indicated by the Dogecoin cost expectation, it might hit a greatest cost of 45 cents and the base exchanging cost of around 30 cents for the year 2026. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging worth might be around 38 cents. An enormous convention is normal in Dogecoin's cost consistently. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2027. As per our Doge cost expectation, it is normal that Dogecoin be valued at 51 cents, which additionally is the most extreme worth, while the base incentive for a similar period might be around 35 cents, going against the norm. The typical cost of Dogecoin perhaps 43 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2028. Indeed, even in the profoundly unpredictable crypto market, an image coin like Dogecoin might keep on demonstrating its worth even in the bear market. According to the Dogecoin cost forecasts, the coin could arrive at the most extreme worth of 57 cents, with a base cost of 40 cents. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be 49 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2029. Our Doge cost expectation uncovers that the Dogecoin cost will exchange between 47 cents to 63 cents, where the previous is the most minimal conceivable cost while the last option is the most elevated conceivable cost for 2029. While the typical cost for the year perhaps 55 cents. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2030. In view of our Dogecoin cost forecast 2030, we anticipate that the token should arrive at the most extreme and least costs of 71 cents and 55 cents. The typical cost might be around 63 cents, with a nice rate change for the year 2030. The market capitalization might have risen altogether constantly 2030. My forecast is that hashtag Dogecoin will ultimately become coordinated with Twitter sooner rather than later here and there. This will naturally acquaint north of 200 million clients with hashtag DOG, giving them motivation to involve it and enhancing the cryptographic money overall. It can't be overlooked the way that Dogecoin offers the upside of being a proper inflationary cash, which makes it inseparable from certifiable government-issued money. This one-of-a-kind trademark permits Dogecoin